Okay, that was weird. My um my recorder thing just went all wacky on me. And anyway, I had like 30 minutes of this game recorded, and it decided to bug out on me. So now I'm gonna restart. I don't even think I got that far. It was just 30 minutes of me playing Flappy Bird, basically. So basically, you're friends with this guy, Teddy. He sends you a link to Flappy Bird. You beat his high score, and he gets upset. Like, extremely upset, because Flappy Bird is his life. So I'm going to try to speed on this. Oh yeah, I forgot. This creepy video plays at the beginning. So beware, viewer discretion advised, blah blah blah. And also, sorry if the audio, like my voice is really loud. I heard someone had told me that I'm loud for some reason when I'm talking perfectly normal in my room in the dark. Since it's 2 a.m., I have nothing better to do but to sit here and play Flappy Bird with my make-believe friend named Teddy. Yep, my life is sad. Tell me what you think. What did you see? It's weird. Definitely weird. This is what happens if you fail. You are my friend. No, my best friend. Of course, of course. If that's the case. Oh, well, that's great. Tell me what you think. I think you need to go back to the game to see it wants you now. I've seen this before. What are you talking about? I just sent it. This is what happens to failures. I am a failure. I don't want to drag my friend too. No, my best friend. You are too. If that's the case, I can count on you then. When he gets angry, he starts smoking. Literally. You have to stay away. I'm done talking to you. You need to go back to the game. I know you're listening. Shut up. Just keep playing. Go away. I'll keep playing and beat your high score and help me end it. What? Okay, last time I did not pick that answer, and whoa. And this is just some guy. He's trying to get an interview, but he epically fails, and that's why he's sad. 'Cause he's a loser. He's a loser. Don't get... wait, what? Oh crap, they replied. It went to spam. Check it. Hold your pants on your horses, will ya? I have a good feeling about this. And this is when he gets rejected. Okay, someone's laughing. There's some lady in the background who keeps talking to me. I don't know if it's just the game or if it's the voice in my head, but I can't tell. Yep. I'm sure you did your best. Still not good enough for some people. Thank you for your application, blah blah blah. We don't like you. Maybe I'll fist them first. Give you everything. Really don't want to read all this again. You'll get it next time. Yeah. Next time. Next life. I'm sick of putting myself out there anymore. Keep getting rejected like yesterday's dirty laundry. Feels like I'm worth jack shit, these guys. Just forget about them. You're right. Why am I so uptight about this? let's move on to something less sad. Like my game Flappy Bird. You should totally download it. He needs my eggs. I'm not lending you any money. Hey. I know I'm behind on rent, but I'm not going to be that sort of friend. Friend, I need eggs. Come get my eggs, boy. He wants my eggs. So I don't play mobile games. What? Oh, that's right. You should expand your mind a little more. There's a game called Flappy Bird. I'm so close to the high score. This won't help your situation. Hey, hear me out. Okay, I'm really on to something here, okay? This game is the only good thing I have going for me right now. Just send me the game already. I don't care. So let me beat your high score real quick. You might get a kick out of it too. Besides, you know how my life is at the moment. A bottomless pit of misery. Still sitting around waiting for a job. Still semi-dying relationship. Still a loser. Oh, that's nice. I don't even know what this is. It's like something. You're not a loser. And then he's gonna like be upset because I trying to help him. Don't patronize me. Okay? I know your life is just peachy, but spare me. The condescendence set face. Whoa, sorry, went off track. So, I have my egg now, please. Sure, just send me the dang game. You're the best, buddy, old pal. It only takes a few seconds to download from the link. I'm sending it soon. Just install it and I'll get those sweet, juicy eggs. Those nice and succulent eggs. That would be even better. Give it a whirl. It's really fun. See how far you can go. Awesome. I really wish I could make the ads go away, but I can't. I thought it was like, okay, never mind. It's skippable. So my last 30 minutes really got me some skill. I made it to 35, which is one above Teddy's. One score above Teddy's. And he got so mad at me because I got one score above his. You know how easy you could beat that? It's like the best I've ever done at Flappy Bird too. Because I suck at Flappy Bird. You know what game's really satisfying though? Flappy Crush. Basically Flappy Bird, but you crush the birds instead of going through the thing. It's really satisfying. Blood and bone go everywhere. Man, I couldn't even get an even 20. What's this? Do you still remember me? Who are you? Who am I? No! You are my wife. Come on, baby. Stupid vampires. Stupid ads. Yeah, no. Aren't you supposed to be... Okay, yep. Hey, thanks for the eggs. How's Flappy Bird treating you? What? Yes, well, great to hear that. But if you like this, I have something even better. Fortnite! Basically, it's Battle Royale. Why am I getting ads? I'm not even in the stupid Flappy Bird anymore. I don't want to be a Ninja Fox. Go away. Just tell me, just give it to me already. I want to beat your high score and get back to where I was earlier. Before I wasted 30 minutes of my life. That's cool. That's not all. Free power-ups and personal achievement. Watch ads to get eggs. I don't need to watch ads. I don't doubt, but don't you want a leg up? Just a bit of a boost, just sometimes. Besides, they're totally skippable. What's a few seconds of your life, eh? Just give me the link. Stop giggling and give me the link. Trust me. This is going to blow your mind. I'm gonna go to moon back. And blah blah blah. Don't really care. You know, I think I like this recording better. Because if I have to be honest, I screamed like a little bitch most of the time because of the giggling in the background. Jesus Christ. You know, I was trying to sign in and play my game, but no, you just have to ruin everything, don't you? Just Dungus. Age 63, female. We can actually do like 169. I can't be overly everything, because then it won't let me do it. Oh man. Fine, I'll just be 16. Congratulations, you're human. You have enough human hours to qualify for Flappy Bird Royale. Now let me hurry up and beat Teddy's thing. Let's do this. Don't expect much commentary now, because I'm going to be concentrating really hard not to use any eggs or anything, since I told him I didn't need it. Yeah, I get it. Okay. I probably can. I wish pop-ups would stop popping up. So annoying. What? I didn't hit it! Oh, are you serious? Dude, I was about to one-shot that. Oh man. Whatever. Guess I'll just try again. Shut up. I get it. My arm is really itchy right now, but I can't scratch it. That's better. Did it. Second try. I'm the greatest at Flappy Bird ever. How long has it been? 15 minutes? Now he's gonna be so upset. I took his #1 spot. I gave you a gift and you steal from me. It's all gone because of you. Calm down, Oh yeah, this chick's like hacking my phone. And this is what you do to your friends. Kick them when they're down, huh? Something. Type down. Don't change the subject. It was too easy. Oh. Cocky bracket now, huh? Wait. Did you watch any of the advertisements? No? Of course not. Impossible. What are you? I'm a god. Blah, blah. Don't care. Yes? Maybe you should like have a life outside of Flappy Bird, and maybe your life wouldn't be so sad. Oh, the first time this ad popped up, I thought someone was recording me in my room, and I got so freaked out. Honestly. It's sublime. It's my purpose. It's who I am. Oh man. I don't know what's up. Like my whole life is a mess. No job, no future, no girl soon, probably. I'm sorry. I'm sorry too. I'm like good at something now. You get me, right? I want to forget my old self. My worthless old life. Box drop that web. No. You're just another vulture that keeps pecking the crap out of me. I didn't mean to. You know nothing about pain. Perhaps you just can't comprehend what losing something feels like, with your charmed life and all. Isn't that bad. Why don't you try it sometime and get back to me? Forget it. I don't want your empty, polluted words. They're completely meaningless. And he blocked me. Oh my god, shut up. I don't care. I'm sorry. I really don't want you to hang. I really didn't want you to do that though. I've already listened to you before. More relatable than people. Stupid bird. Am I allowed to post anything on here? Probably not. And this is basically where I left off. Okay. Sure. Right in the middle. I'm just gonna be half-assed about this, and so will I. Thank you. I got 1 egg for rating it. Hey, it's better than like. I can't be on the fence. You can't be on the fence about this mediocre. Last time I declined it, they made me forced me to watch like 5 ads that's when my game stopped. Well, now update to reflect your preferences that suit us. That's great. I love downloading new content. You lost your #1 spot. Oh, am I gonna have to beat Ted again? I'm top dog again. Balance in the universe has been... Well, what's wrong with everything? Hey, I'm top dog again. Balance in the universe has been restored. Dare to knock me off my throne again? Oh, I dare. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, yes. Are we still on this? Now, Dungus. Don't be a sourpuss. No, man. Wait, if someone is taking over my phone, does that mean someone's taking over his phone? Because mine's doing the same thing, and you know I didn't put that there. So, you've been feeling it, haven't you? The warm glow of sweet, sweet wind. And when it's taken away from you, the bottomless pit is snaking despair. I don't feel anything. Yeah, basically. Not even the shade of a super fantastic spectrum of glorious emotions. How disappointing. Do you know what a UTI is? What it feels like? Changing the subject. Changing the subject? Oh, great, an ad. These ads are so stupid. Okay, now I'm scared. That's so disgusting. You seriously need help. Help? Only games have ever helped me, not people. I'm here for you now. I'm a person. You're still here? Oh, I'm stuck. Oh crap, help, help, help. Why do you feel trapped? I don't know. Can't remember what's going on. Dropbox. Yeah, I really don't like these scenes. These are kind of disturbing. Just something about this Dropbox.web. No. Me, I'm stuck. Can't stop. All my life I've been told, get good grades, get a good job, get a good life. But what if you're always not good enough? Just another loser who can't keep up and keeps falling behind. It makes you work harder. Duh. You have no idea what it means to be a social outcast. But video games, they accept me. I wasn't too weird. I wasn't too lame. I felt wanted. Friends? MMORPGs have gave me friends. I only met Jenny through playing Pocket Monsters Go. The most praise I ever got was for my aim guide for FPS. Games helped me survive. Whoa, I don't know what half that meant. It's just like escapism. I suppose you're just so perfectly well adjusted. I'm a loser in life. I worked my ass off. And what do I have? Depth and it'd be more dramatic if I knew how to pronounce things. Desolatation. Life failed me. But this game puts me in control. I'm in control. I'm a winner. Are you really in control? 'Cause I can beat you. Oh, you know how things work now, do you? Boring. You're boring me with your peasant talk. My plane of consciousness is beyond your reach. Don't bother engaging till you top my score. If you can even... I'll beat you in the next episode. Excellent, Dungus. You're still a considerable rival. Being the top player means absolutely nothing without a fight. Rise up to the challenge. Beat me. I will. I will in the next episode. Just wait, Teddy. I'll beat you. So yeah, this will be all for now. Wow, like, shut up. I don't care. I'll check all of that next time. I'll see you all later. Bye.